This kit can be built one of three ways: stock, custom, or service, or even a fourth way you could do a combination of all three. No matter how you choose to build it, you'll have a lot of extra parts left over you could use on other builds. There's even an extra motor with a motor stand included. On a less positive note, my kit had a lot of flash on it. I'd do a lot of cleaning, but in the end, I think the final results was worth it. Let's take a look. Please leave all feedback, good or bad. I appreciate it either way. Thanks. Just to let everyone know, none of the yellow caution lights on this build came with the kit. I sourced them from other kits.